Dave here, Hayes Motorcycle ATV in Thomastown, Victoria, Australia. Hayesmc Rego kit. This is an AC kit. I'm going to show you what's in this one. The DC kit is different. The only thing that's different about it is it's missing the AC box. You don't need it. Alright, so kit contents. You flip this. Once you remove this, there's your QR code for your general fitting instructions, your wiring instructions. This is what you get in the kit. These determine what bike you may need it for anyway. So what comes in the kit, just open it up, get your sticker, stick that on your ute or whatever, please do. You get your smaller sticker, stick that on your fridge if you want, or whatever, wherever you want to put it. Your number board, stick it on your bike. There's our business card, number, contact details, another picture of that. You get your clamp for your horn button, your extra washers for your hydraulic front brake pressure switch. Hayesmc Rego kit. This is how you'll get it. I've laid it out on the table. This is out of the bag. So this is how to attach your horn switch. So we have green to red on the horn. Just slots in there, pushes it in, there we go. Now we have the black and the black white. So the black on the horn, we get our loom, we get the top of the loom, and we put it on the long black wire on here, push it in there, and we get the black white on the horn switch, and we put it to the red on the loom. There we go, and now we have our horn circuit. Now this is the headlight circuit. This is using our little LED one that comes in the kit. We go black to black, and we go white to red, just like that. This is the brake switch. So we have our brown. That can go to either one, doesn't matter, as long as it goes to the brake switch. Onto there, and go onto our red, push it in there, easy done. We've got our tail light section. Now we've got a red, a black, and a brown. And on the tail light itself, the harness, we have the brown, the yellow, green, and the green. So the green on the tail light goes to the black on the loom, like that. The brown on the tail light goes to the red on the loom, and the yellow green on the tail light goes to the brown on the loom. Plug that in, there we go. And then I'll just show you, this is the power on the center of the loom. You should fuse this when you put it on your bike, or a life after edition already fused part of your bike for DC kits. And that's how it lights up. And we've got the horn. There we go.